I love you. All the ways we love you. A gift for our little distant sweetheart. Read to you by Papa and Momchi.
Can you turn the page by yourself? Other way, remember? Other way, babe. This way. Got some help? There you go. Oh, this way.
I love you quicker than a minute.
I love you longer than an hour.
I love you like the honeybee.
Love buzzing around the flower.
I love you stronger than the wind. Whoosh.
I love you softer than a cloud.
That's so nice. Want some help?
I love you when you are quiet.
And I love you when you are loud.
All done. The end, huh?